The day is getting longer. The day is not exactly 24 hours, and it is not a fixed length. The moon pulls on the oceans. The water bulges slightly towards it, and because the Earth is turning underneath that bulge, the water drags against the seafloor and the coastlines. That drag is small, and it is constant, and it acts like a brake. The Earth is slowing down. A day gets longer by roughly 2 milliseconds per century. That sounds like nothing, and over a human life it is nothing. Over hundreds of millions of years it is not. Some fossil corals lay down a fine band each day and a thicker band each year, so you can count the days in an ancient year. Corals from around 400 million years ago suggest a year of about 400 days. The days were shorter, roughly 22 hours. We also measure it directly now. Atomic clocks keep a perfectly even second, while the turning Earth does not, and the two drift apart. When the gap gets close to a second, a leap second is added to bring them back together. 27 have been added since 1972. The rate is not perfectly steady, either. Earthquakes, the movement of the core, and melting ice all nudge it slightly. In recent years, the planet has even sped up a little. The moon is leaving. The same tide that slows the Earth does something to the moon. The ocean bulge is not exactly under the moon. The Earth turns faster than the moon orbits, so the bulge is dragged slightly ahead of it. That mass, sitting slightly forward, pulls the moon along its orbit. Energy is passed from the spinning Earth to the orbiting moon. An object given energy in orbit moves outward, so the moon is receding. We know the number very precisely, and the way we know it is unusual. Apollo 11, 14, and 15 left panels of corner reflectors on the surface, and 2 Soviet rovers carried more. A corner reflector sends light straight back the way it came, whatever angle it arrives at, so an observatory can fire a laser at the moon and catch a few of the returning photons. From the travel time you get the distance to within a few centimeters, the moon is moving away at about 3.8 centimeters a year, about the rate your fingernails grow. Run that backwards, and the moon was closer, and the tides were far larger. Run it forwards, and eventually the moon will be too far away to fully cover the sun, and total solar eclipses will end. That is several hundred million years off.